Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, beautiful set of Fords. These 4 controls for a Dyna. Okay, very well made. As you can see, made in Europe, not China. These are proper CNC alley. Okay, this is proper CNC, not, you know, this die cast rubbish most of it's made of. Okay, so very, very well made, almost over engineered, but very good quality. They're also available in black, chrome plated. You know, you can have them pretty well any colour because they are made to order. Okay, take around about 2 weeks. Okay, all greased up, beautifully made. You know, proper bushes in them. Obviously, fold up pegs. You know, so you go around a bend, they will fold up, unlike some. Okay, give you a nice wide footing as well. You know, nice wide angle on your legs. Okay, so nice if you've got long legs. Shift linkages. Obviously comes complete, again CNC, not die cast crap like most of them are from China. Okay, and again, you know, there's your brake rod. Okay, so if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Also available for Sportsters and most other bikes, but I must say these are European made, not the Far East rubbish that some of them are known to snap because they're like die cast, but designed to look like proper CNC. CustomCruisers.com, alternatively 01773835666. Available for Japanese bikes, you know, Harleys, pretty well any bike you can think of. Okay, thank you.